Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi network problem in our Poco phone guys. How can we solve? Guys, you want to solve guys your Wi-Fi network problem in your Poco phone. So how can you solve? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video guys. So friends, now let's see how to solve Wi-Fi network problem guys. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to solve Wi-Fi network problem. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So once click on this connection and sharing option guys, tap here. Again so guys you can see reset setting as tap here guys. You can see your Wi-Fi setting as tap here to solve it. Then guys tap here. Then get this Wi-Fi network problem will solve after 4 and 5 seconds guys. Has been reset. So guys your setting has been reset and guys you can use your Wi-Fi network without any problem guys. After that guys you have any problem guys, so guys you take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys. If you want to connect your network guys, you can connect from here and guys you can use your Wi-Fi setting guys without any problem guys. You can see network will connect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.